Chicken merry, hawk de near, is a well-known Jamaican proverb that carries a deep message about caution and awareness. It translates to, "The chicken's happy, but the hawk is nearby," symbolizing that even in moments of joy and celebration, danger or misfortune could be lurking just out of sight. This saying is often used to remind people not to become too comfortable or careless, especially when things seem to be going well. It suggests that one should always remain vigilant and prepared because threats, whether from people, circumstances, or unforeseen events, can arise unexpectedly. In a broader sense, it speaks to the reality of life. Good times and bad times often exist side by side. Just as a chicken may be happily pecking at food, unaware that a predator is watching from above, people can sometimes be so caught up in enjoyment that they fail to recognize looming risks. The proverb serves as a cautionary reminder to maintain balance. Enjoy the good times, but never let your guard down completely.